there is some problem. Differences has to be there, right? From differences, we can get the best solution. So these differences are particularly sharp in country like ours, where which has an amazing social diversity. We have amazing social diversity. You go to Northeast, you will find other people. Their their ideas are different. Their thoughts are different. Their thinking are different. Right. You go to the Northeast. I told you Northeast. Now come to the North. You go to the East. They and up to the West. You to go to the West. They are different people. The solution will be there. Right. So how do we resolve such conflicts? How do we resolve such conflict? The conflict can be solved by mutual power, whichever but that will lead to resentment and unhappiness. If you are putting your ideas every time on your family, then what will happen? Then the people will be unhappy with you. They will say that you are not going to listen other people, right? So, it will lead to unhappiness. Different groups may not be able to live together for long in such a way, right? And democracy provides the only peaceful solution. Democracy is there. Democracy means loktantra. Democracy means prajatantra, by the people, for the people, of the people. And democracy always provides peaceful solution. If democracy is there, peaceful solution is also there to any problem. In democracy, no one is permanent winner. Let me tell you one thing, no one is permanent winner. If a person is permanent winner like Mugabe, right, like Idi Amin of Africa, Uganda, then Pervez Musharraf in Pakistan, General Niazi in Pakistan and Bangladesh, right? So that could be no. It means that there is no democracy over there. They are saying it's a democracy, but no democracy is over there. No one is permanent loser. There is no one is permanent winner and no one is permanent loser. It all depends on the people. It all depends on the लोगों के ऊपर depend करता है, right? So no one is a permanent loser. Different groups can live one another peacefully in a diverse country like India. Democracy keeps our country together. Due to democracy only, we are we are together. Due to the democracy only, we are together. Right? These three arguments, these just I gave you more than three arguments, which I decided, which I just had a gasping with each other that what is the meaning of democracy, what is the pro-democracy, why we should we favor democracy, what are the plus points in democracy, what are the positive points in democracy. Right. So these three arguments were about the effects of democracy on the quality of government and social life. Let me tell you one thing. Always think about the quality you're living. You should improve your quality, not quantity all the time. Quantity also matters. But first is quality. Are we improving our quality from ourselves in ourselves? Right. So these arguments were about the effects of democracy on the quality. It means democracy always improves your quality. When there are six fundamental rights, what are the fundamental rights are there? Why there are fundamental rights? I said there is a one important fundamental right that when you are able to express freely without any fear or without any apprehension. Apprehension मतलब डर, वो डर जो अभी हुआ नहीं है उसको apprehension कहते हैं. If you are apprehensive, it means you have some type of fear in your mind. So without fear, you can live in democracy. So government, and now on the quality of the government and social life. If we have to improve our social life, and this can happen only if you want this improvement can happen only into a democratic part of the government. But the strongest argument for democracy is not about what democracy does to the government. It is about the democracy does the citizens. 10 minutes. Democracy, what democracy is doing for the citizens? What democracy is doing for the citizens? Are the citizens happy with the democracy? Right? It's about what democracy does to the citizen. Even if democracy does not bring about better decisions than accountable government, it is still better than other forms of government because democracy enhances the dignity of citizens. Look, a very important part here, democracy enhances the dignity of citizens. Look, everyone has its own dignity. You have no right, to insult anyone. No one can insult you, and you cannot insult anyone. It means you are preserving your dignity. You should not cross your limits, and you should not allow to cross anyone's his limit. It means dignity is there. So democracy enhances the dignity of citizens. Here, in democracy, every citizen should be happy with the government. If they are not happy with the government, they can elect the other government in the coming general election. Party khatam ho jati hai. Right. So, as we discussed above, democracy is based on principle of political equality. We are all equal. We are all equal. How? You have six fundamental rights. I have six fundamental rights. The President of India has six fundamental rights. The beggar outside of a temple is also having six fundamental rights. Fine. One man, one vote, one value. The President is having the same part. You are having the same part. Myself is also there. So what the democracy is doing? Democracy is involving these all six fundamental rights are involving to improve your personality. All round personality आपकी develop होती है. You are confident about yourself. Right? So democracy enhances the dignity of the citizens. Come to the next part. Yeah. As we discussed above, democracy is based on the principle of political equality on recognizing that the poorest and the least educated have the same status as the rich and the educated. I told you six fundamental rights. Right. Now, what was Modi? He was simple and a tea seller. Chai बेचते थे वो. Right. Now what is he? He's the Prime Minister of India. Fine. Same fundamental right. You can be also. Try it. I'm not joking. I'm telling you the truth. Right. Now poorest and the least educated have the same right. People are not subjects of a ruler. They are the rulers themselves. Very important sentence. They are the ruler of themselves. Right. So they are responsible for their conduct. They are responsible for their own conduct. Right. Now, finally, democracy is better than other forms of government. Finally, after this, I will close it. Right? Democracy is better form than other type of government because it allows to correct your own mistakes. If you are doing mistakes after mistakes and you are the ruler of the country and you are doing mistakes, no one is there to check you out, then let me tell you one thing, you are doing not mistakes, you are doing blunder. What is the difference between mistakes and blunder? Mistakes you can rectify, blunder you cannot. Then finally, democracy is a better form than other government because it allows us to correct our own mistakes. As we saw above, there is no guarantee that mistakes cannot be made. No one. You cannot guarantee that there will be no mistakes. I'm giving you homework. I'm giving you a lot of things. I'm telling you should read better, you should study better, but you are not doing it. You are not doing days after days, then whose mistake? Is my mistake or your mistake? So you should check your mistakes, right? So that mistakes cannot be made in democracy. That sometimes some mistakes are equals to blunder, right? And we cannot give the room to those type of blunder in democracy. No form of government can guarantee that. The advantage in democracy is that such mistakes cannot be hidden for long. You cannot hide your mistakes today or tomorrow. It will overcome. It will come up from the grave of the ground, from the grave. It will come up, right? So there is a space for public discussion on these mistakes. You know why we prefer democracy? We prefer democracy because there is always space for public discussion. Suppose, a law is being passed. First, it will go to Lok Sabha, two-thirds majority is there. Then it will go to the Rajya Sabha, again two-thirds majority is there. What do you mean two-thirds majority is required? Because they discuss all type of problems. What will be there after the rule of this regulation? What will be there? So now let us sum up this chapter today. So there is always better than other, democracy is always better than other part of government because we are allowed to correct ourselves. There is always a room of mistakes, but there is no room of blunder, I say. So let us stop over here. Take care of yourself. Again, I'm telling you, right? 2 गज की दूरी, mask is zaruri. Everything is there. Take care of your books also. Teachers are doing their best. Be safe. Be careful. Thank you and have a nice day.